guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and I am so excited to share this recipe today with you. So me and my friends, we call this crack chicken, though I don't think that's the proper name for it. I think it probably is better known as the best grilled chicken there is, or maybe more commonly as brown sugar chicken. It is absolutely awesome. You guys are gonna love it. I make it both on the grill and inside, so it's a really great recipe and very versatile. And yeah, I'm happy to share it with you guys today. So let's get started. So for this recipe, you're really gonna wanna use a dark meat. Either thighs or drumsticks is my favorite. I'm not saying that it won't work with a breast, but really the thighs and the drumsticks are just delicious like this. So again, you can cook this inside, but I'm gonna show you how to grill it today. It's so good on the grill. You guys are going to love it. So we have our drumsticks in a bowl, and we're gonna get kind of the marinade in before we head outside and grill it up. So we have the main star ingredient. We have some brown sugar here, and we actually have about a cup of brown sugar. It depends on the size of like your package of chicken, but for the amount that I'm cooking, I'm gonna use a cup here. After that, there's some other ingredients. We have 1/4 of a cup of a Worcestershire sauce, always hard to say. You can also sub for a soy sauce if you don't have that. Just a nice kind of salty flavor to go with the sweet. And then we have 2/3 of a cup of a sherry. After that, the other main ingredient, we have 10 minced cloves of garlic that we're gonna just pour in there. Feel free to take it down if that sounds like a lot for you, but that's the amount we do. And then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of onion powder. Now, if I was cooking this inside, I like to do some really nice thin sliced onion right in like a Pyrex with the chicken. But since we're taking this out to the grill, I'm not gonna do the onion. I might grill onion on the side, but we're not gonna do it in the actual kind of like marinade. After that, just a little bit of salt and pepper. And then a tiny bit of a sriracha. Now, if you don't like heat at all, leave this out. The chicken is just as good without it, but I like to drizzle a little bit in there. It's sweet, it's salty, and now it's spicy. It's fantastic. Now, you don't want to do so much sriracha, though, that it actually turns into a spicy chicken. Just a little bit of heat in there with that salty and sweet. It's really fun. So after that, hopefully you have a top for the container that you're doing this in. I probably should have told you that before we got going, but you're gonna just shake it all up. It really is the best way to just make sure that all of these flavors get on our chicken. And if you have a nice dish like this, it makes it really easy. Now, you don't wanna take this right out to the grill. You're gonna wanna let it sit in your fridge a little bit, sit in the flavors, kind of get it all sucked into the skin and everything. So there isn't really no minimum time on that, but definitely let it chill for a second before you take it out to the grill. So once we are outside at our grill, we're gonna kick that up to medium-high heat, and we're gonna place our chicken right down onto the grate. Now, everyone grills differently, so I try to give loose time frames, but it's not exact, so make sure that your chicken is cooked all the way through. But it should take about 25 minutes. Again, every grill's different, everybody grills at different heat, everybody has their own kind of style to it. So make sure that it's cooked all the way through, but you'll know it's ready when it has a nice little crunch on the outside and when obviously the center is cooked all the way through. After that, it is time to dig into this crack chicken. I'm telling you, you are going to love it. If you are grilling it and got some onions on the side, that's even better, but I'm telling you, trust me, this chicken is one that you will return to and become a new favorite barbecue chicken of yours. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.